Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about statistical process control, which is often called as SPC. So SPC is a technique that utilizes statistical methods to monitor and control the process. So we go ahead and monitor the process over time to check the consistency and prevent defects, and also to go ahead and make decisions based on data analysis. तो SPC जो है मेरा एक एनालिटिकल टूल है which goes ahead and utilizes data to maintain consistency. अब SPC के थ्री पार्ट्स होते हैं. The first one is called a control chart. So control chart अगर हम बात करें तो let's draw a control chart and then we'll study it. So control charts में this is X bar, which is called mean. This is upper control limit, that is X bar plus 3s. This is lower control limit, which is X bar minus 3s. So we go ahead and plot the data onto a control chart, the process data, and we go ahead and study any trends or patterns that we go ahead and identify, right? So basis the special cause and common cause variation. So any points that are going above my control limits or below the lower control limit are called special cause variation, while जो इन सबके अंदर हैं इनको हम बोलते हैं common cause variation. So these are common cause variation. So we go ahead and plot the data on a control chart, and we can easily detect unusual patterns or trends that may require corrective action. So these special cause variations require corrective actions, right? But the common cause variation that are there can be controlled through process controls, right? And this is what a control chart looks like. So this is the first component in SPC. Now, if we talk about the second component that's there, that's called a specification limit. इसको हम spec limits भी बोलते हैं. अब ये spec limits क्या होती हैं? Spec limits are given to us by the customer or by our R&D team, the research and development team. So if I say the length of steering wheel rod should be, say, 5 meter. I'm just taking a hypothetical example. So now my R&D team says that it could be adjusted if it is plus minus 0.1 meter. So my upper specification limit is 5 plus 0.1 meter, while my lower specification limit is 5 minus 0.01 meter. So anything between these two will be acceptable. Okay. So this is how specification limits are calculated, and by comparing data points to these limits, one can determine if the process is meeting customers' expectations or not. So this is the second one, that is specification limits. Finally, the third component, that is process capability. Well, process capability of a process is to produce products or services or goods that are consistently within the specifications. So this is product capability. Okay. So how do we go ahead and do, we have learned about these three components. How do we do SPC? The step one is to go ahead and select appropriate control chart. So we do have different types of control charts depending upon discrete or continuous data. I'll place a link of the video in the description. You can go ahead and go through it, the types of control charts. Step two is to go ahead and collect data. We should ensure that the data is always accurate. Okay. The step three in SPC is we go ahead and plot data on control chart and look for patterns or any trends. Step 4 is to take corrective action and sustain. So, with that, we come to an end to this video. So, just to brief once again, so SPC allows us to monitor production processes, identify deviations, and then take corrective actions and sustain it. So this is what SPC is, Statistical Process Control. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll be more than happy to take them for you. Till then, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.